I'm going to show you how to add levels so that in your drawing you have a floor level and a roof level. So you need to first click the View tab here and then choose Elevation. Then take your mouse wheel and scroll up, and that pushes your drawing away from you. And we're going to add a north elevation, an east elevation, and note that I'm kind of giving myself space here. I'm not super close to my drawing. South and west. And now what it did over in the project browser is it added those elevations. So if you right click elevation 1, that was our north. Elevation 2 was our east. 3 was our south. And then 4 was our west. So go ahead and rename those. The next thing we need to do is choose one of these elevations so that we can add levels. So I'm going to choose the south elevation here because it's sort of the most interesting. I can see that door and window, and there they are. And we're going to add a secondary elevation for roof. Our level 1 elevation is already preset on here, so let's go ahead and add a level 2 elevation, and we're going to name it roof. So click structure and then go over here to level and let it snap with the roof and with the other level down there. So you should see that intersection. Click once. You don't have to hold the mouse button down, just click once, and then let it intersect over here so those line up. It will make things a lot easier if your levels line up. It's a lot easier to read. So right now we have our 2 levels. If I go over to level 1, I can right click and rename that. We're going to name that floor. And do you want to rename all corresponding views? Yes, you do, because if you were to open up other tabs, you would see that it will rename those as well. Now, we're not going to use structural for right now, but it is helpful to have it rename them all the same. So we're going to rename the second one roof, and yes to renaming that. Now we have a floor level and a roof level.